everyone, it's Stephanie here, and today I'm reviewing the uniwigs new hair fibers. I have my bottle in medium brown, and I would say that this color suits me really well. It might be slightly dark, but for the most part, it suits me really well. Now, just to show you this product, there's a little shaker on top that you could just shake the hair building fibers right in. But what I highly recommend is and this comes along with a product, this little top here where you can like squirt it out so that you can kind of control where you want it. Now, the whole point of these hair fibers is that you're trying to make your hairline look as natural as possible. And so you want to put your topper on, but you want to put it back just a little bit so that you can see your natural hairline. Now, for someone like me, this can be really challenging because, as you can see, I have alopecia, and it's like around this hairline area here, there's very little hair. But if you place the fibers correctly, it'll make your topper look so much more natural. What I'm going to do is, since I'm not putting the fibers all over, I'm going to be trying to get the fibers to go from the hairline here and back about an inch or so. So I'm going to comb some hair forward. I used to wear hair fibers a lot when my hair was starting to thin, and then as it got quite progressive, I stopped using it and I got hair toppers. But now that I've discovered that you can use these hair fibers to wear along with a topper, it's a really great, I would call it a game changer in terms of making your topper look more natural. Now, the key here is don't hold it like this, hold it further away. So I'm going to shield my face, I'm going to shield my forehead, and then we're going to start. Okay, so you can already see that we have some good progress here. I'm going to keep going. I'm just going to keep going, but holding it quite far away. The cons is that it does get on your hands a little bit, so you want to be constantly making sure that you're kind of like dusting it off or giving it a good wash before you go out. But as you can see, I placed some fibers on my head here. Okay, so now I have applied the fibers just in this little area here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the topper, I'm going to get my topper out now. Now today I'm wearing my Aura Upgrade topper in light mousse brown in 14 inches. There we go. Just going to give this a little comb here. Okay, now I'm going to comb some of my bio hair forward. And it's important to try to not disturb your hair fibers, because if you apply the your brush bristles right on it, it will move the product. So now I have some bio hair out front. I'm going to get my topper. I'm going to place it okay. Now we're going to be doing our magic hair. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of lean forward, and I'm going to brush my bio hair forward. Brush that bio hair forward. Brush my bio hair forward. Just keep gently moving it. And then we can just move everything around. So my topper is placed pretty close to the hairline, but a little bit further back. What we can see here, clean it up. So what we can see here is we can see this lovely topper hair, but then as we get close to the hairline, we have a natural hairline, and the fibers just kind of look like they've melted into place, and like I have beautiful natural hair growing out of my scalp and this lovely topper hair back here. So all natural hair around the sides here with your topper. I can't stress enough, hold it far away. If you go close, it's not going to look natural, especially if you are like me and you don't have a lot of bio hair up front. But this is going to be a game changer in terms of bringing your topper to life, and not just plunking your topper right down on your head and clipping it in and putting it right where the hairline is. That's fine too. I do that sometimes, but doing this trick is going to make it look like there's no way that this person is wearing a hairpiece. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I review lots of toppers and go over all different kinds of treatments that I'm trying for my thinning hair, and please come along with me as I review products for hair. I review toppers and products for hair loss, or anything related to androgenic alopecia, treatments and products that can help. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and come along with me as I deal with my hair loss, and hopefully can help you along with me. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.